Hello everyone, welcome to A Fluent Life Budgeting. My name is Lo and today I'm going to do my bi-weekly cash out. So I hesitated a little bit on whether or not to call this weekly or bi-weekly because I think based on my filming schedule it might be bi-weekly, but if I can squeeze in a weekly then I'm definitely going to do it. So let's start with opening up my spending record, and this is beginning in or on December 31st. I have a couple of expenditures here that I wasn't really sure what envelope to take it from, and if it's the envelope that I'm thinking, I am not going to have enough. And I also spent a good deal of money getting my planner set up for this year, and I don't know how I feel about that, but the money's been spent. I love the planner. I love what I'm doing with it. I am going to start doing some plan with me's. The first time I didn't record it. The second time I recorded it, but it was so terrible I didn't want to put it out. And then the third time I recorded it and I didn't realize that the memory card got filled up, and so half the things that I did, it didn't record. So I'm gonna try again, fourth time, and we'll see what happens. But anyway, let's go ahead and get on with this. What do we call this again? Cash out. So I have a couple of things from home maintenance. Let's go ahead and add those up. For home maintenance, I've got $69.78. So you know I always round up or round down depending on what the change is. So if it's $69.78, I'm rounding it to $70. And the other one is plumbing, which was $197.13, which is just going to be $197, and then $75.80, which I'm going to round to $76. So for home maintenance, I need $343, and hopefully I have that amount. All right, so let's go into the home folder. Oh yes, my folders or my binders changed. They were red, like a rosy, peachy, pinky color, and then black, and I just decided that I really like purple. It's my favorite color. I'm just gonna have everything be all purple. Okay, so I need $343 for home maintenance, and in home maintenance I have $340. So I can take $340 from home maintenance, and then I'll owe $3. And then this is everything that I've spent on my credit card. So let's see, Home Depot, plumbing, and Home Depot again. Now, Spotify, Michaels, I guess spent a ton of money at Michaels. So I'm just gonna give myself some notes here. I won't be keeping it because I need room for the rest of the month, but I just want to know what I'm taking out. And then from Fam Fun, 120. So I'm gonna need $120 from the Family Fun and Entertainment, and I've got. Oof, okay, I definitely need, you know what I'm gonna do? I think I'll owe the $10. So right now, I need 10. So I owe 10, I owe 3, I should do that the other way. I owe 3, I owe 10, and then, so that take care of that one. And then I need, what else can I do that I know where to take it from? PetSmart. So PetSmart is going to come out of my personal binder. There we go. And for pet care, I need $40. And I've got $40. 20, 30, 40 from Pet Care. Oh no, not $40. I only need $35. So I thought I saw a $5 bill. Let's see. I did. Excellent. We got 410 left in there. Okay, and I don't have to owe anything for that. Pet Care. $35. Okay, so now I've got all of these others. I've got Michael's, I got the money that I spent on the planner, and Taylor Budget, Spotify, and more Michael's. Let's see how much I spent at Michael's. That was $50, 38, $5, 23, and 2. So I need, for Michael's, I need 118. Okay, and then for Spotify, I need $11. I think I can take this from my personal. Okay, Michael's, Spotify, and then for Taylor Budgets, I bought some of her savings challenges. I need $6 for Taylor, and then this whopping $235 for my planner. So my planner supplies was $235. Okay, so I did this one, this one, this one. Okay, so Spotify and Taylor, I know, let's get this out of the way. I can grab that from my wallet. I'll take that from, what I need, $17. I have enough here. If I had a 20, okay, perfect. So I've got 20 in my personal, which means, and I only need $17, so that will cut out the $3 there and then pay for these. So that takes care of the Spotify and Taylor Budgets. And then I just need 118 for Michael's and 235 for the planner. I don't know where I'm taking that from, because I could take it from Etsy, I think, because this is the money that I spend on Etsy, but maybe I'll just take this Etsy money and apply it to Michael's. So I'll owe $18 for Michael's, and then what do I need? I need $235. I'm gonna have to take it from somewhere because I gotta pay my credit card bill. Might take it from here. How much do I have here? That's gonna set me back. Do I have 200? I do have 200. That's gonna leave me with, oh no, $30, but that would cover all of that. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take the 200. I have $230. 220, 30. So I'll have to find $5, but the planner is taken care of. Okay, so I need $23. No, that's $33, right? 18 plus 5 plus 10, $33. Okay. So this is like all my personal money. I don't want to take it from the home. I definitely don't want to take it from my son's, and I don't want to take it from savings. Unless, let me just check out savings real quick and see what's there. Nope, it's not an emergency. I'm not taking it there. I'm not taking it from there. Can't take it from there. I can take it from overspending or Cover Me. Boom, I could take it from Cover Me. So happy I have Cover Me. So I need $33. I've got $30 in Cover Me. I wonder if I can make change. So I need $7 and I can't make change. So what if I put 40? I only need 33. So if I put 40 and then take this 5 back, then I can owe the Cover Me $2. I think I'll do it like that, because then that will take care of everything. Okay, so I owe Cover Me $2, and that should take care of everything. So I did Michael's is all taken care of, the planner, and Michael's again, awesome. And I owe Cover Me $2. So what I'll do is, I don't need this anymore. So I'll come here, let's do a different color. I want like a bright red. I need a really, really bright red. There we go. Add. Oh, don't want to edit, I want to use it. Perfect. So let's say, this is good. I will owe Cover Me this envelope. $2. Okay, cool. And then we're good. So this was balanced on 117. Let me move that over. Balanced on 117.22. And I owe that. Okay, cool. So let's see what I am depositing into the bank so that I can pay my credit card bill off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, $870 into the bank. So we are all good for my credit card and my bi-weekly cash out. Let me get a thumbnail. So the thing about credit cards, I don't think that credit cards are dangerous. Well, no. Credit cards are dangerous if you don't know how to utilize them properly. The best way to use a credit card is, yes, to spend money on it because it's going to build up your credit. But what's going to make your credit profile even more attractive is to make sure that you're paying off your credit card in a timely manner and you're not really only paying the minimum. It'll take you a longer time and you'll end up paying more if you only pay the minimum. So I know that everybody doesn't really have the means to make sure that they're making lump payments like this. Unless you're doing some sinking funds, then you can do it. But if you don't have enough to make sure that you're paying off the balance every month or before the end of the month, then you need to not spend that much or cut up your credit cards. That's what I did. And I still have the bag of all my cut up credit cards. And I'll show y'all one day as soon as I finish unpacking all the boxes. Thanks for watching my video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I love that we're starting to build this audience and we're starting to build and contribute to the budgeting community. I cannot describe how exciting it is to have comments on my videos and I get to go back and forth with some of my viewers. So please do subscribe, like the video, click that notification bell so that you will be among the first to be notified when I put out a new video. Thank you for helping to hold me accountable. This is A Fluent Life, giving you a friendly reminder to live life affluently. Bye.